Could you or someone you know be a malignant narcissist?
A psychopathic narcissist is trapped in a cycle, love bombing and idealized love, devaluation and discard, from which this turn on a dime chameleon, the narcissist is totally incapable of escaping. Driven by an unquenchable thirst to fill a bottomless void of insecurity, the narcissist is addicted to compliments and reactions that the narcissist socially engineers wherever possible from any and all those persons whom he encounters. An emotionally disabled creature of habit, the narcissist is compelled by an unwitting predatorial drive to manipulate, control, and exploit. Telltale signs of narcissism often consist of a long-standing stream of broken or seriously dysfunctional relationships, an absence of a moral compass, compulsive lying, and a pathological need to castigate others for the narcissist's amusement or self-validation. This is the lonely life of the narcissist. Lies, deceit, and turpitude with the emotional development and impulse control of a 9-year-old. Emotionally speaking, the narcissist is very, very weak inside. This covert predator seeks to control sexually a harem of targets, female, male, it doesn't really matter, because it's not about sexual satisfaction. Instead, it's about ego gratification.